Here's a pair of the Bose. Here's a pair of the Bose Ultra Open earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV. Now this is the Sony Smart TV that has Google TV. So first thing is go to the settings on your Sony TV. You can navigate there by selecting the gear icon on your remote, the settings button if you have one. If not, just go to the home page on your TV. Just click on the home button, go to the home page, and then navigate to the gear icon. So go up and then keep moving to the right there. And now it's all settings is selected. Go ahead and select that. Left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories. Right there, go ahead and select that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. We're going to go down one to pair accessory. Go ahead and select that. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So let's grab these earbuds and let's make sure that these are, or put these in pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case, let's open these up. I'll know that these are in pairing mode if the two lights up here are blinking white slowly, okay? I have a solid white light here, so let me just manually put this in a pairing mode. There's a button on the back here. Just press and hold for 2 seconds or until the lights turns blue. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. It turns blue. Now it should be blinking blue slowly. Okay, now it's in pairing mode. You can see. So now it's still searching. We have to wait. We may have to rescan again. Maybe I took a little bit too long. But let's just let it sit here, see if it finds it. Ah, there you go. It popped up. I was just about to go back and do the scan again. Okay, but anyway, it found it. I'm going to go down. Highlight it, Bose Open Earbuds Ultra. It's pairing. You get a pairing request here, so let's pair. And you can see switch audio to Bose Open Earbuds. And there you go. So if I go down right here, you can see that we're connected, okay? You know that we're connected because it says disconnect up here. If I go down to my Beats Solo 4, like different headphones, it's not currently connected, so you would have to connect. So if I go back to Bose Open Earbuds, you can see I don't have a connect. I can only disconnect because I'm connected, but I can disconnect right now. And now I can connect back if I want, if I open these. Anyway, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't get into pairing mode or you had problems connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.